Hello friends, after a long time I am here with a video, and this video is regarding this upcoming exam of UGC NET, and many news are there outside that this exam will not be conducted or it will be postponed. It may be right because the situation you can see outside is very dangerous and very worst situation is there, and still the admit cards are not declared or not announced. Okay, so the dates will be changed, friends. It will be postponed certainly. And as we noticed that we filled up the form for the December 2020 cycle. Okay, and that exam was going to be taken in month of May. But uh, in the same way, UGC NET June 2021 exam will not be conducted because this May exam will be conducted 1 or 2 months after. Okay, so in that way, we can assume that this June 2021 exam will not be taken, and this May month exam will be taken in June or July or afterwards as per the situation outside. So wait for the admit cards, but don't uh, wait for the exam in the month of May because it will not be conducted. It will be postponed certainly. There is no official news till now, but we have to guess. We have to assume that it will not be taken. And for rather waiting for the exam, we should prepare further. Okay, that should be our goal right now. So in this extra time, what we can do, we can just prepare whatever we were preparing. We should read the books, the standard books. Then we can make some notes also, some simple notes that can be used for the exam purpose only. Simple notes, I mean a particular difficult topic, you can include in that simple note. Okay, then revise whatever you have read till now. Just revise, do revision. Then the best possible way to revise is to practice or to face the mock tests or practice tests available online. You can also solve model question papers if it is available online. Many websites are there which are providing such model question papers. Questions also, some 10 questions or 20 questions are there in any website. You have to just face these questions to to make it effective on your side, the literature part. And some Play Store applications are also there which may help you a lot in preparing. So a blended kind of learning we have to do here, friends. Not only just books, not only just notes, not only just materials, but along with books, notes and materials, you have to you have to solve the question papers. Okay, you have to practice the mock tests, practice tests, online tests, model question papers, old question papers. All the things will going to help you. Then another important thing is to discuss with your friends. You can also discuss the important topics with your friends, the difficult one. Okay, particularly as we have seen that in the syllabus of UGC NET, we have found that the topics of English pedagogy, literary theories, and research, these three important topics are noticed very difficult for us. Okay, so even for me, at some time, so it must be discussed with friends. It must be solved with friends so that we can have better understanding which we do not have, and someone is having that understanding, so we can discuss it online also, in Facebook also, on Facebook also, in WhatsApp also, in Telegram also. Okay, there are some tests available on my blog also. You can just go through those tests and you can practice the tests. As well as there are some question papers also, old question papers, along with some books, and a drive link is there. One big drive is there, Google Drive, in which lot of books are there. Okay, in e-copy form, so that you can download, you can practice also. But don't be confused in so many books and material. Be straight to your preparation, because do it systematically, because when you become confused, you cannot do it properly. Okay, you can just wonder in between, reading this and reading that, but it should not be done like that. So do it systematically. And I already told you about how to do it. I already created one video on that before 2 months, so you can watch that video. The links will be available in the description. And also you can buy some books if you want to buy from the links given in the description. Okay, and is there any question or query on your side regarding this exam? You can ask me in the comment box. You can also join my Telegram group, in which you can discuss with other students. There are around 650 students in that group, who are just there to learn something, to share something also. So friends, thank you so much. But please keep in mind that this exam will be postponed, as I guess, as I assume. No official news is there, but if any news comes, I will notify you all. So for this time, you can just concentrate on your reading and preparation, nothing else. So thank you so much.